Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Riot client can't sign in. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing issues with Riot client and are unable to sign in, you can try the following steps to resolve the problem. First method, before troubleshooting on your end, make sure that there are no server issues. Visit the official Riot Game server status page to check if there are any ongoing server problems. Another method, sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues. Restart your PC and try signing in again. Next method, right-click on the League of Legends or Riot client shortcut. Choose Run as administrator to give the client elevated privileges. Another method, temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software to check if they are blocking the client's connection. Another method, ensure that the date and time settings on your PC are correct. Incorrect date and time settings can cause authentication issues. Another method, ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause login problems. Next method, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can affect the login process. Next method, if you're using VPN or proxy, try disabling it and connect directly to your regular internet connection. VPNs or proxies can sometimes interfere with the login process. Another method, use the Hextech Repair tool to repair the game files. If the issue persists, you might need to reinstall the game. And now, if none of the above solutions work, consider reaching out to Riot Game support for assistance. They may be able to provide specific guidance based on your situation. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.